Hey guys, welcome to Helpful Solutions. This is how to fix sound in Hisense Roku TV. So, first thing is just simply make sure the TV is not muted and the volume is at an audible level. Another one is just simply verify the audio output settings by navigating through the settings, audio, audio output, and just simply select TV speaker if you are using the TV's built-in speaker, or choose external speaker if connected to a sound system. Another one is just simply adjust the sound mode. So in the settings, in the audio, in the sound mode, just simply select standard or movie for optimal sound. Another one is just simply power cycle the TV by unplugging the TV from the power outlet, wait for 1 to 2 minutes and plug it back in and power it on. And now another option is just simply update the TV firmware. So just simply go to the settings, system update, and select check now and make sure you are running the latest version. There you go, see ya.